What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy to do this video just for you. Okay, so this video, it's about me putting my wig on without a cap, and also me doing my full makeup, of course. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the got to be glue and the got to be spray just to put my wig on. And guys, I do not have a cap on, so that's the reason why I'm gonna start applying the glue just in front of my hair, because I don't want the glue to be stuck in my hair and start losing my edges. Okay, so let's just get started. Now guys, I'm gonna start to do my eyebrows, because I'm gonna let the glue to be a little bit dry before putting the wig. I'm gonna use this powder, guys, to do my eyebrows that I bought from Dollar Tree. So guys, it's really a good one because it can give you like a natural look without putting concealer on. As you can see, it really match with my eyebrows, and I can even go out just like that, right, girl? Can you see this? Wow. Thank you, Dollar Tree. To define my eyebrows, guys, I'm gonna use this, the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. It's 2-in-1, that you can use it like for as a concealer, and you can also use it as a foundation. So I'm gonna use it to define my eyebrows, right? Now I'm gonna start putting my wig on, because the glue is already dry. Not too dry, but dry enough to put my wig on. It really takes me a long time today to put my wig on. Back on sac passé, but yeah. So right now I'm gonna use my head wrap just to slay my edges and also to slay the front of my wig and to make sure that my wig is safe, you know. Même si l'oreille gonde, même si l'oreille, I know, même si gen kou disek le, you know, la pli vent, pou wig mwen pa lan ken kote. Yeah. I'm done putting my wig on, so let's keep moving on my makeup, okay? So, the palette that I'm gonna use today is my palette of Sephora Pro. That's really a good palette, guys. Okay, and the color that I'm gonna use as base is the clock color or cloak color. I don't know. It's really a neutral color that you can use to do your base. Now guys, I'm gonna use the Coven color. It's just like a blue color, but it's not that blue. Okay, so I'm gonna use it to do the corner of my eyes. Let's see. I really do want a bright makeup, so guys, I'm gonna use this concealer. I think the brand name is Ofra, so I'm gonna start applying it like to my eyes to have the look that I want. Yay! My daddy's home, guys. Yeah. So this is my dad with the white t-shirt right here. Hi, Dad. Done applying my concealer. So right now I'm gonna use the Enchant color. So yeah, to have like, you know, the bright color that I need. Okay? Pour makeup mwen ka klere. Now I'm gonna use two colors, the Sage and the Fire. But at first, guys, I'm gonna start applying the Fire color. It's just like both of them are just like glitter eyeshadows. So I'm gonna use them to have the perfect look. You know, the perfect look. Okay, guys? Now let's apply the Sage color. It's just like yellow color, but with glitter. E tan kou e sole la mpren mat mit sou do jem la. Yes, of course, girl. Look at this, guys. Oh yeah. Now the color that I'm applying right now is the Blood Moon, to give me, you know, what's piment na makeup la, okay? That's a spicy one. I'm gonna use the antique color and the potion color. So I'm gonna mix them together to give me a beautiful color that can really match with the red that I put on, the blue, the what was it, the fire, the sage color, you know. Hey, my makeup is popping right now. It's time for me to put my eyeliner, guys. I'm not really good on applying eyeliner because I feel like I'm gonna mess up I'm gonna mess up my makeup. So my hands are shaking right now. So yeah, I'm gonna put my eyeliner just because I'm gonna use some lashes. So yeah, I want my makeup to look good. Okay guys, so I already put one of my lashes, so right now I'm putting the other one, because usually when I'm putting eyelashes, so it takes me at least 1 minute to fix them. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put again some eyeliner just to have a natural look with my lashes. So now guys, I'm gonna use my black Radiance foundation and I'm gonna mix it up with my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect just to have a natural look. Now I'm gonna use my Stay Matte concealer, guys. It's really a soft concealer. I really like it, and I think I bought it at Walmart like for $2 or $3, I think. Now I'm gonna start using my Black Radiance contour palette. I really like that palette because it can really give me a natural look. So I think I bought it like $5 at Walmart also. So you can check it out, guys. You're gonna like it. Let's get the final look. Okay, guys, look at the makeup. Oh my god. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, so hope to see you soon. Bye bye.